Are you having problem with distractions and YouTube looks like that and you want to get rid of all the distractions? So here I'm going to show you how you can do this very quickly. So as you can see, with few clicks, you can do this. So now I'm going to show you everything that you are going to need. So basically, all you have to do is use Google, go here, Google, and then type, for instance, Google Web Chrome Store, and then you get the Chrome Web Store. That is the first link. So once you click there, you're going to get on this site. So basically, it's look kind of like this. I'll show you. So that way you click there, and then you're going to have this. So basically here, where it says search for extensions, you're going to click there. You're going to type this. Undistracted hide Facebook, YouTube feeds. So basically, you're going to click here where it says add. Once you have that, you're going to have this, for instance, here, as you can see on the top right, here, this puzzle piece. So you're going to click here, and then you're going to have this here. So basically, you're going to have it like that without the pin. So without the pin, you're not going to be able to see it here. So basically, when you click here, you click here, and then you're going to see this circle. Do you see this circle? I'm going to unclick it. So you see it's gone. Now you have it. Okay, great. Once you have it there, all you have to do is click on the circle again and select if you want to do this with Facebook, YouTube, or whatever. So in this case, we're working with YouTube. For instance, if you click off on everything, you see, you're going to see everything as usual. But if you want to hide recommendations, force direct to my subscription, so that way, I mean, this is cool just in case, because you're going to see only what your subscribers is, I mean, the content of your subscribers, and that's it. But if you don't want that, maybe you can leave it off. In my case, I think that is the best option. Hide breaking news, hide sidebar, so that way you don't see even your subscribers. And if you want to, you can do that. And if you want to hide comments, hide next suggestion, hide shorts, and that's it. So if you leave it like that, you click here, you see on YouTube, and you're not going to be able to see anything. So basically, this is the best way. But let's say that you're searching for an airplane or anything like that, you're going to see, you know, this, and that's it. But if you click on any of them, you see, you're not going to see the comments or anything like that, or videos here on the side. You're not going to be able to see that. So if you're searching, let's say, okay, I want to buy an airplane or whatever, you see the video, and that's it. And once you finish that, you can go back to the YouTube and you don't see anything else. Or if you're a creative, you know, and you create a short video, you can go to YouTube Studio, do whatever, upload the videos, and you never are going to get distracted anymore. Just do your thing, create the videos, upload it, and that's it. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. And if you want to keep learning, I have a few YouTube channels. For instance, GabakUSA is one of my channels. If you go to the playlist, you see all my videos over here. In this channel. And if you want to keep learning, because even if you subscribe to my channel, most likely, except if you install this extension, you're not going to be able to see my content. Usually YouTube doesn't recommend my content. Otherwise, if you want to learn about business, I have another channel, Gabak Business, and I have the same thing, but related to business, tools, and everything else. So you go to the playlist, I have everything organized like that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.